Hello. In this video, we are going to go over how to solve a compounded continuous interest problem. So let's read the question first. A person invests $5,000 into an account with an interest rate of 3.5% per year. That is compounded continuously. After 10 years, how much money will be in the account? Okay, so here's our hint. Compounded continuously means we are going to use A Peřejᵗ, which is A equals P E to the power of R times T. A is your final amount. P is your principal. And another word term for that is just your initial amount. Or initial amount, starting amount. Next, we have R, which is our rate. And next is T, how much time it takes in years. So make sure that's in years each time. Okay, so now we're going to read the question and we're going to fill out what each of these is for our particular problem. So A is our final amount. That's what we're looking for. So we don't know what that is just yet. Principal, our initial amount. Well, we invest $5,000 into an account. That's our starting amount, 5,000. R is rate, which is 3.5%. Make that a little more clean, 3.5%. And time is years. In this case, it's 10 years. All we're going to do now is start to plug and chug into our formula. A equals P, which is 5,000. Sorry, I don't write my fives very clean, apparently. 5,000. E to the power of 0.035, converting that percent into a decimal, times 10. So make sure that this is in the exponent and surrounded by parentheses. So at this point now, all you're going to do is use a calculator. So we're going to plug that into our calculator. So we're going to do 0.035 times 10 e to the power of that times 5,000. And we're going to get 7,095.34. And that will be in dollars. So that will be our final amount after 10 years investing $5,000 into an account at 3.5% compounded continuously. If you have any more questions, please let me know. Either send me an email or just ask in the comments below. Hope everyone has a great day.